Motion in two dimensions. If we define vectors I and j as shown, we can define aspects of motion in terms of these vectors. So let's suppose we've got an object here and it's travelling at 5 meters per second in this direction. And it might be that we can resolve that into 3 meters per second horizontally and 4 meters per second vertically. Or these could be on a flat surface and we could be talking about east and north, for example. Then we can say the velocity is 4 meters per second. Force is a vector. So if we have an object here with some force, let's say 17 newtons acting on it in this direction, and we might be able to resolve that into 8 newtons this way and 15 newtons that way. Then we could write that F is 815 newtons, or 8i plus 15j newtons. I tend to prefer column vectors. Now, since we know that force is mass times acceleration, and of course mass is a scalar, but force and acceleration are vectors, if this object here had a mass of 2 kilograms, we could say 815 is equal to 2a, and therefore the acceleration would be 7.5 meters per second squared.